Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in this video I am going to explain you how to obtain NMR Spectra using Gaussian 16 software. So in the previous video I have explained you how to optimize the geometry and also NBO, NLO calculations, and also about UV visible spectra, how to do the data analysis of UV visible spectra, also homo-LUMO surfaces, and also thermodynamic properties. So you can go to the previous videos, you will get the idea about them. So in this video let us go for the calculation of NMR spectra, how to obtain NMR spectra and how to do the data analysis of that. Okay, let us go. What you can do, first you need to draw the molecular structure of the required compound using Gaussian software. I have explained how to draw the structure. Okay, you can watch that video. So here I have already drawn the structure of the molecules. One among them I will select. Okay, so this is the molecular structure I have drawn. This is a coumarin derivative. Okay, let us go for the calculation. Here in this tab you should click calculation, calculate. So first option, Gaussian calculation setup, you have to click. Then here NMR spectra, directly you should go for NMR option in the job type. Okay, so I will click NMR. Here what you can do is just simply it will give default GIAO method. Okay, not necessary to select, just keep as it is, the GIO method default, and then go to the method. Okay, here you should keep ground state as it is. You can go for DFT. DFT is one of the best method to study NMR spectra. So here basis set, you can select one of the good basis set is 6-311G. Okay, you can go for higher basis set also, but it takes lot of time. Then go for the title, give this as NMR spectra. Okay, then link is not necessary. These all are not necessary. Solvation means if you want NMR spectra in particular solvent, then you can go for IEFPCM model. In that you can select any one of the solvent. Okay, otherwise if you don't want in solvent, in vacuum only if you want to do, then simply go to the preview. Okay, after that go click on edit. Okay, click on save. So here I will select one folder. I will do NMR. The folder already exists, so NMR1 I will give, open, save. Okay, if you want to run this program directly, click on S. If you want to go for job manager, you can submit later also calculation. So I will click on S. Here only it will start running. So you can see it is processing, means it is running. So it may take some time. It depends upon the structure of the molecule. 1 hour or 2 hour it may take, or some time it may give early also. Okay, so it is running. Once the process will complete, it will show the completed file. Then you can go for the analysis of spectra data. Okay, I will show you the spectra that I have already obtained from Gaussian software. Okay, this is the way to submit a NMR spectra calculation in Gaussian software. Okay, let us go for the analysis of NMR spectra. So here already I have run the NMR spectra. I will take the log file. It will give default 3 files: input, checkpoint file and log file. So this compound C1 log file I will select. go to the result. If you want to have output, just go to the result. Here you can see NMR spectra is highlighted. Okay, that means NMR spectra successfully, the calculation has been done, spectra has been obtained. Let us click on that. We can see here, this is the NMR spectra, how it looks. This is from gauge independent orbital method, GIAO method. So degeneracy versus shielding, the graph has been plotted. So you can also draw this, you can use this diagram, this figure directly, or else you can also draw the diagram in origin. What you can do, you can just save the data here. Okay, once you save the data, you can draw the diagram in origin software also. Okay, otherwise you can save this picture or image, you can directly use for your research work. Okay, like this, save picture, you can click. Okay, or save data. So I already saved the data, I will show that also. Okay, this is how the NMR spectra looks like. Okay, next I will show the data that I have saved, NMR. So if you save the data here, this is the data file. You can select x-axis, y-axis. You can plot the graph in origin software. For HNMR and CNMR, the spectra is obtained. So you can concentrate on shielding values of hydrogen and carbon only. This is the degeneracy. So you can take these values and plot the graph directly. So I will show you how this NMR spectra is represented in research paper, research work. Okay, here directly the diagram we have obtained from Gaussian software. So this is the latest version, Gaussian 16 we are using. So this is for what? H and C NMR spectra. Means only we are going to concentrate hydrogen and carbon shielding values. So this is the way to represent data in tabular column. Atoms, shielding values and degeneracy. For hydrogen, if you take, always the shielding values will be around 20 to 30 in between any of the molecule if you take. And for carbon, if you take, it will be higher, around more than hydrogen. So 30 to 60, 70 it may leads. But sometimes one of the molecule, one of the atom, carbon atom are going, few atoms may have higher shielding values. You can observe here 186, 187. Sometimes shielding values are also called as chemical shift. Okay, so this is how you can obtain NMR spectra using Gaussian software, and how to do the data analysis in research paper also I have explained. I hope this information is helpful for you. Okay, so thank you for watching.